Hi there, my name is Voon and from PSW Resources, and I run Freedom Boss, whereby we help small businesses and agencies win more customers online and dominate the local market with an automated online sales system. Now in this video, I'm going to show you on how to actually automate your workflow using ClickFunnels 2.0, because it is some people asking me on forums, on Facebook groups, how do you actually set up an automated system whereby every time there's lead registered through your funnels and they get through a workflow sequence at the start, so they can start nurturing them through emails, etc. Okay, now so let's just go into this. Now let's say, for example, this is my website, this is my homepage, which I built through ClickFunnels 2.0. Over here, as you can see, I have an opt-in form here. Okay, so if I just key in my name here, okay, and I send an invite. So the moment I send an invite, okay, it will bring me to this thank you page. But let's check out my email. See, I've started receiving my first email sequence, Freedom Boss Chapter 1.5. This is part of the soap opera in .com secrets book. Okay, so I start receiving the emails, and the email sequence will go through a sequence. Let's say if I show you, okay, these are all the email sequence that have been sent out through my automated online workflow. Okay, so these are my current workflow that I've set up inside my ClickFunnels 2.0. So let's say if I just click your first funnel challenge. So this is your first funnel challenge workflow that I can see. So workflow trigger that attacks your first funnel, then start receiving your first funnel challenge, 15 minutes delay, trigger automated online sales system, workflow again, and 1 day delay. Do you need help? So these are my workflow for your first funnel challenge program. Now if you look at this, I have triggered another automated online system workflow. This means when the moment after 15 minutes, it will actually activate this workflow. Okay, my soap opera workflow. Let me see. So we trigger my soap opera workflow. If you look at this, we have email set the stage, then 1 day delay. So after 1 day, we send a second email. Then after the day, the third day, we receive the third email. Fourth day, we receive the fourth email, hidden benefit, etc. Okay. So this is the workflow that I created inside for soap opera sequence. Okay, so how we going to do this? Okay, so first we just need to add a new workflow. Okay, add a new workflow. So under here, the new workflow, let's say you want to call it like 5-day soap opera sequence. Okay, so over here you have run type, multiple runs per contact. This means every time, let's say if the same person sign up on your opt-in form again, would you still run the workflow to run again? If not, just create only one per contact. Okay, multiple runs per contact means they will start receiving the sequence, okay, continuously back to back, depending on which sequence they are, and multiple runs per contact simultaneously. That means they're going to receive together at the same time. Okay, so I will just choose soap opera. I will just choose multiple run, only one run per contact. Okay, so once you are inside this create workflow, the first thing you need to do is you can just set no trigger set, or you want to set trigger, doesn't really matter, because later I will show you how. Okay, so let's say, for example, if you want to, let's say one of the trigger is you want to active, put it like opt-in. So if I am actually opting in, I want to allow opt-in through my homepage. For example, this is not a funnel, it's a homepage. So what I would do here is I will set opt-in page, then select home, because this is exactly where the opt-in form is where. Okay, so if you are referring to funnel, then just choose the funnels that you have. For example, let's say automated online sales system, just choose the page that the funnel page that you want, where the opt-in is. Okay, let's create a trigger. So once you're done, just click close. So what is the first thing that you want to do now? Okay, so let's say the first thing that you want to do is to tag the contact, so that you know that this contact is coming from where. Okay, let's say it is coming from automated, let's say it's from one of my funnel, automated online sales system. I just create a step. Okay, so the first thing that I will create a step, and what's the second thing that I want to do is probably send them an email. Okay, so if I want to send them an email, what I will do here is just drag the send email here, and I will just call this maybe email number 1, which is setting the stage based on Russell Brunson's book. So I can click design email. So over here, design email, if you want to start from blank, you can, But let's say if I already have my template that I created, okay, what I will do here, I just select a template, and now I just say design my email, because design email may allow me to edit the email later on. So what I will do here is, this could be my first email called Freedom Boss, chapter 1 of 5, set the stage. Okay, so once I've done, so once I'm inside this setting the email, it just drag and drop. Okay, for example, if I want to change the image here, I can just drag my image here, drop it, and just choose any image that I have right here. Okay, let's say I want to insert this image, just click insert, or I can upload that as well. Okay, so once you're done, what you can do here is just type whatever message that you want. For example, based on the sequence would be, hi there, I would like to welcome you to my world. That's it. Okay, so you can type whatever, we can type your email contents inside here, and just use the drag and drop functions that you have. You can choose, let's say you want to include a social, this is where I put my social icons here. Okay, so if not, you can just delete it. Okay, so you can just set up your email. Once you're done, then just click save and exit. So once you're save and exit, it will bring you back to the email templates. Okay, so once you're brought it back, that just doesn't matter. It just means that you have already created the email. Okay, so let's just click. So then you see, you just go on and you just go on and create all the steps. Again, let's say for example, you want to delay another day to send out the email. You can just choose, let's say, 1 day, and I'll click create, and repeat the step for sending email as well. Maybe just repeat the step for creating email, fill up all this. Okay, and then once you're done, just click delay again. Okay, maybe another 1 day to send the second email sequence, to choose email again. Okay, so that's it. Okay, but if you want to trigger another workflow, for example, let's say you want to trigger another workflow to bring them to your, let's say for example, in my case here, I trigger another automated online sales funnel workflow. Okay, so it just means that I actually bring them to soap opera sequence. Let's say if I show you, this means after they sign up for the first funnel challenge, I bring them to I send them an email. After 15-minute delay, I trigger the automated sales online sequence, the soap opera sequence, which is this. Okay, my soap opera sequence, which is this, and then that's it. And then another 1 day delay, I send them another email. Okay, whether or not they have activated the affiliate link. All right, so that's it. Okay, so once you're done, what you can do here is you can go to, if you want to attach this workflow, if you want to connect this workflow to your funnel, okay, there's another way you can do is, let's say at the funnel page. Okay, let's say on the funnel page, your first funnel challenge. Okay, what you can do here is just click edit the challenge, and then okay, if you look at this is a workflow, add new workflow. Then what you can do is just select the workflow that you want to activate. Let's say I want to select your first funnel challenge. This is opt-in, and just attach workflow. That's it. This once it attach workflow, this means is activate this workflow. Okay, so the moment somebody sign up at the page, then it will activate this workflow and the email will be triggered. Okay, so I hope this simple tutorial can actually give you an idea about how to use workflow in ClickFunnels. Now, if you need help in setting up ClickFunnels 2.0, feel free to set up a strategy call with me, and I will be able to help you, perhaps help you build your sales funnel for you as well. All right, or find out how for ClickFunnels 2.0 for you as well. All right, so with that, any question, just ask me or post in the comments in this video. All right, see you guys.